Hi everyone, today I decided that I'm going to do this intro video for how do I make my own handmade clothing for my Jenny doll. So because I have sewn two denim dresses for her, I'm wearing also a denim dress. This is an original 1980s vintage dress, very 1980s, with the big shoulders, zipper. This is it's even got zippers at the sleeve, so this is very Asdin Alaya. So to get on with the video, this is my Jenny doll, and I have actually sewn for her a lace top with a denim mini skirt, and I'm going to be showing you the tutorial of how I did this. Okay, so the next outfit I've got is almost similar to the one that I'm wearing. I actually cut out all this denim from denim jeans which I am not using anymore, and usually what I do is I'll just donate my used clothing to charity. But then this time around I was thinking I can just cut it up and just do a few trials on how to make my own doll clothing. So this is what I came up with. Very nice one piece, and I've even sewn a heart-shaped pocket, if you can see, and I've sewn some beads to the collar, bit of it, and she's got a sash, so it's very modern and lovely. So I'm going to be showing you the tutorial of how I did this denim outfit for my Jenny doll. For your information, Jenny doll is actually made in Korea, so she is almost similar to the Licca doll, but she's taller. I'm very much into dolls at the moment, so I hope that you enjoy my videos as well, and I can't wait to show them and share it with you. Thanks for dropping by my channel, and please help me to like, share and subscribe. See you. Bye.